Hey, hey, hey! If you are still spending 2 hours, 2 hours every Sunday writing lesson plans, stop. Right now, just stop. No, like seriously. I am Dr. Claude, and in 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete standard based lesson plan in just 2 minutes. 2 minutes using what? AI. Magic School AI. It's 100% free for teachers and will show you free mistakes that AI lessons can get rejected by most administrators. So stay tuned. Let's ride on, and I'll show you the third mistake at the beginning, or rather at the end of this fabulous video. So please stay till the end. Okay, so right now we all know the problem, right? We all know the problem, and the problem is hours, many hours creating videos, or rather lesson plans with videos on weekends. So we're gonna find the easy way out, right? So let's go to the home page on Magic School AI, right? We are tired of those 5 lesson plans to write from Mondays through Fridays using ChatGPT that doesn't sometimes give us the specifics of what we want and doesn't include differentiation of instruction. And also, you had to redo a lot of stuff. However, Magic School was built by teachers for teachers. It's like ChatGPT, but it has a lot of features that ChatGPT does not provide. Like I said, differentiation of instruction, those standards, and also some cool editing features and downloading the perfect PDFs that you can use at you know out of network situations. So now let's dive into the demo. Okay, let me show you live. First of all, you got to log in to your Magic School AI using your school credentials like your username and your password, personalized information. So right now, I already logged in with my personal information, and we will need a lesson plan for fourth graders. So let's get started. Okay, so after you log in, here would be your main window, the interface where we're going to be working on. So from here, you can see how we have our recommendations for teachers, students, and workflows. Right here is where you want to click. Click on Discover All Tools. When you click that, it takes you to the main job of the day. This is the box we want to fill it in. In this search box, we want to type in lesson plan, or you can choose to click in it. It pops up with different options that you can pick. You want to generate a worksheet, or you want to, create a lesson plan. We're going to click lesson plan because that's our business for the day. Click on that. Good. You just got to hang on in there, and everything is going to be created in under 2 minutes. Like, seriously, it's generated in under 2 minutes. So what do we do? At this point, we give it some prompts. Grade level. Let's set a grade level to, you might be teaching fourth grade, you might be teaching ninth grade, or you're a 10th grade teacher, or middle school or elementary school. We have everything nice and ready. Okay, so here our topic for fourth grade could be something like, let's say, the solar system. Type it in. You go to our standards. These standards, like I said, they are aligned with our next generation science standards. We want to really be specific and incorporate that into our lesson plan, because that's what we need in order to help our students succeed, especially on standardized tests as well as exams. So next generation science standard, we can type in, since it's elementary school, or in some countries they say primary school, so elementary school, let's give it 1. So it's about creating a lesson plan where students can explain those factors that are incorporated in the solar system and help them understand it better. So let's hit the generate button. When we hit that button, we need our time for it to think about the prompts we gave it, focus on the standards, give it a lesson that is at a 4th grade level, as well as think through the prompts in order to provide us with the accommodations. We got to differentiate those lessons, make sure students are able to understand. We have different types of students in our classroom, so we got to meet their needs specifically, right? So now on the left pane or panel, it is our prompt that we gave it, specifics of what we wanted. On our right hand side, we have our perfect lesson plan. It's so magical, right? Just like the word school, magic AI, magic school AI, right? So now we're going through it. I really love the fact that it gives us like the objectives. It looks at the standards, finds objectives that would actually align with those standards. In this pane or panel, you can actually highlight specifics of what you want to be visible. You can color them. You can actually change the font size. You can change the format. If you want formative to come before summative, you can just move across like that. Additionally, you can highlight and bold sections of the text that you want to make it kind of personally relevant or appealing, just so that when you hit that PDF document, maybe you're in the car sitting during lunchtime, you want to look through that lesson before you go to class, you see all the material or aspects you want, just like at a glance of the document. So that's what you want to do right here. Additionally, I love the fact that it gives you like an introduction, the materials that you can use. It says use a globe to show the Earth's position. The kind of materials, real items, real world physical items that students can actually touch, making the lessons more relatable. Okay. So definitely you have the tools right up here on this tab at the top right hand corner. Then I have this section where I actually love the most, differentiation. You can see this first portion has to do with bringing your students to where they're at in the lesson. For example, those who are below level, you can provide them with the sentence starter where they can fill in the blanks for this lesson in order to understand it better. Secondly, you have your on-grade students that they actually can write facts about the earth, things like that. Also, we have our above grade students where they can be challenged, to research what the earth makes or what makes the earth unique compared to other planets in that solar system. So again, this differentiation section has to do with providing individualized instruction for students at their levels where they can actually grasp the content. They can grasp it really perfectly, and it actually would give them more comprehension. They have another section that has to do with the homework, before that, they got this closing section, which is like exit ticket. You can have students raise their hands or do a quick play right here to show their understanding of the lesson, beautiful things like that. So the exit ticket is really easy to create, or to you can edit every section of this content. You can add videos to the content to make it more accessible and comprehensible to the students. um, Extension activity, something they can do at home just to solidify their understanding in the content. Right at the bottom right here, we have the standards. We give it the prompt, and now the standard is coming up again in a more holistic fashion. So yeah, right here is very significant because you have all the elements of a lesson plan. But we need, the 5E lesson plan. That's great format. Now you can, if you want to do like a 5Es, you can actually pick aspects of this and fit it into the template. Engage, explain, pick aspects and drop it into the template just to fill it up. We have everything we need in under 2 minutes. Looking at this top bar, you would wonder, how do I export this and get out of Magic School AI? Right there, it is being generated. You have your lesson plans with accommodations. That's great. So you can actually click right here, the very top right hand corner where it says print. If you click on that button, you can actually get the copy of this lesson plan in from your printer. You can forward it to your printer and have it nice and perfect on a piece of paper to make it handy. You can have it with you on the go. Please don't read it up in the vehicle. You got to drive nice and safe. But then when you sit out, for your break or planning period, now you look through it, it's going to be just right. Okay, now mistake number one that teachers make, they just copy and paste. They don't read most often. That's why I say, when you have your lunch period or planning, you can read through it. So sometimes they click customize and add personal touches. Yeah, like the bold, the italicized, the caption, things like that. And also they don't change the hook. So you got to change the hook to fit the students. They can be living in an area where you can bring in particular aspects that would make them more engaged in the lesson. Secondly, we need to make sure that they are able to incorporate videos. Students love videos, so we need to incorporate videos. I mentioned that earlier. And mistake number 3 to avoid is to forget the standards. Always add the state standards. Add your standards. Very significant. So not adding standards, not adding accommodations are the biggest mistakes that most teachers do. So we got to accommodate these students. So a bonus tip, you got to export this document. You can export it to your Google document or your Google Drive, right? As well as print it out right there in the print button. So at this point, yay! Sunday nights are stress-free. Sunday nights are work-free, and you got a lot of time to spend with your family. Try Magic School AI for yourself. It's free, like free 9.99. You can actually sit on it, play with it a little bit, save time to work with your family, and also I hope you subscribe to this channel. Hope you subscribe so we have more AI tutorials that are perfect to make your classroom work easy and flowing. Comment below. You can send us a comment, and we would be able to bring videos that would meet your needs. What subject you would want us to do next, and also what AI tool that you're struggling with or you want to know more, you're curious, and we're going to do a video just perfect and right for you. Thank you all for watching. Hold up, listen. You got to save your time, and let's do this together. AI is here to stay. We better learn it now.